Okay. So
So, Jocelyn, take it away. It's all yours.
I have to click OK OK。呀，好歡迎大家嚟到呢一個今日嘅會長嘅分會嗰個課程啦。So 呢個咧就會錄音嘅，咁咧就會錄咗咧就會你去個 YouTube 咧喺 L Hamstrung 嗰度咧你查佢個名咧就有好多嘅唔同嘅一個課程啦，咁呢個都會喺裡面嘅，有啲有英文啊或者以前嗰啲咧，你哋或者你再想回憶呢一個咧，你都可以喺嗰度睇到嘅。咁嗱，我再講一次呢啲嘅課程咧，就喺呢個訓練個時間表咧，就喺呢個 MD19網址裏面咧，你見到嗱，指住落去嗰多人仔嗰度咧，你 click 嗰度咧就會有頭先一開始嗰個咁嘅時間表出嚟啦。咁有唔同嘅課程，你哋可以去聽聽嘅。咁咧，我哋就講咧，就咩為之領導啦。咁你有能力帶人去到一個地方咧，佢自己都冇法子諗到可以去到嘅地方啦。有陣時候咧，我哋每一個人咧，係每一個時刻咧，都有機會成為一個領導者嘅喎。因為其實我哋好多時即係譬如一個媽媽咁，其實佢已經係一個領導者，佢帶住嗰啲小朋友係咪？或者學生或者係先生咁，佢哋都係一個領導者嚟㗎啦。咁我哋今次我哋首先要講有啲咩預備嘅事項咧？咁嗱，你作為領導者啦，咁你唔係單止真係義工，因為你要英文叫做 commit，即係叫做一個中文我就中文係咩啊？有冇人知道？即係要 commit 呢樣嘢嘅，你唔係淨止做義工咁簡單啦，因為你有個
承
責
諾啊，
任嚇。
承諾
哦，有個承諾啦，多謝阿 Stephen 喎。有個承諾，你一定要做呢樣嘢，你唔係掛咗個名唔做嘅。咁咧我就要你首先咧你就要學習下點樣揾你啲資料喎。咁人哋問你咧，你都要知道喺邊度揾到出嚟啦，就唔係成日都話哦，即係人哋俾條 link 你，你就即係就咁 click 落去就得，即係要自己去查啦嚇。咁呢個課程咧，主要咧都係補充咧喺 Line Portal 裏面嘅獅子大學中心啦，或者係叫做獅子大學中心同埋獅子學習中心裏面咧，佢有更加即係更詳細嘅俾你去聽啊、睇啊、學習啊咁樣嘅。Next screen。OK，咁我哋今晚嗰個咁嘅內容咧，有咩咧？咁我提到會長嘅角色啦，咁仲有啲憲法嗰個憲章同埋負責啦，啲禮節啦，我哋獅子會好講禮節噶嘛。咁我哋仲有講會籍啦，咁仲有就係其他嘅官員啦個角色啦，我哋嘅學習同領導啦。同埋我哋要計劃啦，呢啲都係我哋今晚要講嘅，有啲資源啦，你點樣去搜集呢啲資源啦？咁嗱，首先咧就要講下做會長個角色咯喎。咁你係執行者啦，你喺呢個會裏面嘅執行者但係唔係代表話晒事嘅，因為咧OK，你係主持咧會裏面嗰個同埋董事會嘅會議㗎。咁有兩個主要嘅目的啦，你有兩個目的嘅。第一個咧，你就要延長你個服務咧，去到社區啦，就要增加你個會員喎。唔係淨止係嗰個membership director 嘅責任，即係你作為身為會長咧，都有呢個責任嘅，同埋每一個人嗰個會員咧都有責任去增加我哋會嘅成員嘅。咁我哋要即係你做會長咧，一定要確保呢個你個會嘅運作咧就健康啦。咁你又要負責任命嗰啲委員會啦，有唔同嘅委員會，你就要去即係話即係有好似我哋有好多 chairperson 咁樣啦嚇。咁咧，我哋就要確保啦嚇，嗰啲選出嚟啲官員咧係正統咁選出嚟嘅。咁我哋仲要咧係一個好活躍嘅積極嘅成員喺嗰個叫做總監資訊委員會即使係我哋所謂常稱嘅叫做 Zoom meeting 啦。咁我哋又係作為社區其他獅子會分區主席或者總監甚至係國際獅子會嗰 嗰個聯絡嘅橋梁啦。咁我哋亦係代表個會員喺個會裏面發言人嚟嘅，我哋係嗱。咁有效率嘅一年啊，應該係現在開始啦。但係而家已經係咩月啊？1月咯喎。其實喺7月其實唔係淨止7月，7月之前咧，你就應該要計劃開始啦。咁咧有個良好嘅計劃咧，咁你就唔會好慌張，好擔憂啦，係咪？咁嗱，我而家要講會長嘅權力啦。頭先我講咧，會長咧係冇絕對嘅權力嘅喎。點解咧？就因為啲權力咧，就係嚟自會嘅憲法同埋負責啦，仲有係董事會啦，同埋整體會員嘅。咁如果你喺你做會長，你第一個任務你做乜嘢啊？你梗係要去即係上任之前咧，嗱呢啲咁嘅嗰個叫做咩國際獅子會會長嘅電子書啦，同呢個就有中文版嘅都有，係有 MD19嘅會長手冊啦，呢個就冇中文版啦。咁咧你可以 download 落嚟啦，咁download 落嚟咁要睇下啦嚇，要起碼要睇一次啦。咁仲要熟讀佢嗰啲憲法同埋負責啦。咁我哋仲要出席啲董事會嘅會議喎，咁要參加啲會裡面嘅項目啦。咁仲有咧，你仲最緊要同你嘅秘書咧，就建立一個良好嘅工作關係啦。因為佢係你嘅左右手啦，咁你要討論下講下你嘅期望啦。你喺今年嘅會裡面有咩期望啊？希望個會點樣運作啊？咁你要仲有就設立你嘅委員會啦。咁咧仲要點啊？嗱，仲要我哋有個同嗰個預算委員會合作咧，就要制定你呢年之內嘅財政預算啦。即係要將啲錢邊度撥入去邊度用啊，或者有啲錢我哋係要攞落嚟捐去某一個團體啊。咁有陣時我哋要做一個之前就要做一個預算啦。咁我哋有兩個啦，一個叫做行政管理係內部嘅，啲錢咧淨係用喺你會內面嘅。咁一個叫慈善機構就係外邊嘅。咁有陣時我哋即係人哋捐俾你個獅子會嗰啲錢啦，係外邊嘅。咁你就總之喺外邊翻嚟嘅錢咧，就一定要用翻去出邊嘅。有啲基金會啦，好似有幾個會啦，好似Vancouver 安圭佢哋有個 foundation 啦，咁咧佢哋就有個基金會嘅。咁咧仲有咧，你喺要計劃你個會議嗰陣時，嗰陣時你一定要確定你自己嘅目標。你今年嘅目標係乜嘢？你就要諗定出嚟啦。咁通常咧喺5月或者6月，你選舉咗你係會長咧，你就要做呢個計劃啦。咁相信大家已經做咗啦，因為而家已經係幾多月啦？而家已經係話1月啦。咁你仲要同董事會合作啦。我哋要諗下3年或者5年嘅計劃啦，有短期有長期嘅計劃，即係你係想喺呢段時間要實現啦。咁你仲要同你個分區主席有陣時可以討論啊、參與啊咁樣啦。咁嗱，首先我哋頭先講過要組織一個委員會，即係幾個嘅，唔止一個。咁呢個就由會長你任命啦。咁你選擇個過程係你點啦？咁你梗係諗一啲，即係揾一啲有創意、有思維嘅人啦，同埋最好咧，俾啲新嘅師友一個機會啦。咁咧，你可以你問下而家做緊嗰個咧，佢想唔想做咧？但係如果佢做得即係唔係咁好啦，咁你可以揾個第二個做啦。咁你可以詢問每一個候選人，睇佢有冇興趣喎。有陣時佢真係有啲人咧就係滿有熱情咁，佢好想做啲嘢嘅。咁你都可以揾嗰啲咁嘅會員嚟去做啦。咁我哋一定要確保咧，我哋呢個工作個崗位咧係適合義工啦，而呢個義工咧都適合呢個崗位嘅，咁咧就會得到叫做咩相得益彰啦。嗱，咁我哋而家立刻要做咩咧？首先咧就要同董事會分享你嘅建議同埋財政預算啦。頭先已經講過啦，咁就要提供你個主席名單啦，你嗰個委員會名單啦。 咁咧又即係譬如嗰啲委員會名單有好似有 LCIF chair 啊，有 service chair 啊，有唔同嗰啲服務嗰個主席啦。咁我哋仲要指派嗰個副會長咧，就去負責去主持同埋監督各個委員會啦，睇下同佢哋聯絡睇住佢哋即係做啲乜嘢啦。咁你要同你個幹部團體啦，同埋啲成員就分享你個今年嘅目標啦。咁確保咧就每個人都有共同嘅目標喎，大家都有一個共同嘅目標咧，就會同一個方向去啦。唔好話佢有佢嗰個想法，你有你個想法，咁就有陣時做咧就有啲困難啦。嗱，咁個會嘅目標係乜嘢啦？咁都有個目標喎。咁你自己諗下，呢個目標我哋叫做 SMART goal 啦，即係英文啦，嗱，佢叫做 S 咧，我哋中文就叫具體性嘅。咁 M 咧就係可以衡量嘅 measurable。咁attain 可以達成嘅，即係唔好話有啲計劃根本係做唔到，虛無縹緲咁就唔好啦，係咪？同埋要有現實嘅，可以即係都係啦，可以。係實質上做嘅，同埋一定要有時間嘅限定嘅即係譬如話我哋諗住3個月之內要做成，或者係呢個月要完成。咁如果我哋一路咁拖咧，就除非嗰個目標係要喺你完咗之前，譬如五月你之前要做好嘅啦。咁咧，你要考慮咧，你獅子會喺你呢個年度咧就有1個或者2個嘅新目標啦。咁你就要同你個董事會合作啦，咁即係計劃去點樣去完成達到你個目標啦。咁經常要去睇下有冇進展嘅進度要監察下啦。咁其他即係有啲咩，我哋個目標諗下有啲咩可能性啦嚇。咁我諗下睇下點樣可以幫助你開始啦。咁最好咧，你查考下啲會員啦，睇下滿唔滿意喎。咁你真係要問佢哋啦。咁有陣時最好就係唔用名字嚟到講啦，因為佢又唔即係唔夠膽真係講出嚟啦。講咗，但係我哋咧要講咗之後睇咗咧，真係要做嘅喎，唔好睇咗咧就算數喎。咁我哋最好揾啲非會員嘅要主持啦，咁佢哋就唔怕，即係可以夠膽講出佢要心裏面嗰套啦。咁我哋仲要你個目標啦，梗係要招募啲新會員啦。仲要可以創辦分會喎，分會咧有5個成員就可以一個分會噶啦。咁你就要擴張你嘅服務項目啦，同埋你嘅籌款活動啦。咁溝通咯喎，咁我哋要同啲會員要保持最新嘅資訊啦，大家有溝通啦。咁我哋即係令到佢哋有個歸屬感啦，有個聯絡啦，等佢哋即係滿意又知道我哋做乜嘢，咁我哋亦知道佢哋嘅諗法，溝通係好緊要㗎。咁我哋咧有陣時咧就要及時啦，即係盡快啦。有陣時人哋俾你啲信件email 或者留言咁你就一定要好專業咁樣去答覆人哋喎。咁即係一定要專業啦。咁秘書咧都係主要你嘅聯絡人啦。咁會長咧，你自己身為會長咧都可以回覆嚟到溝通嘅。咁有陣時咧，我哋就最好咧就委派即係邊一個做邊一個範疇嘅嘢啦。譬如秘書你想要處理呢樣，會長就可以答呢樣。咁咧就馬到功成啦。咁嗱，有啲關鍵嘅會議啦，咁我哋有會員嘅會議啦，有董事會嘅會議即係通常就有呢2個會議啦。咁咧，每次呢啲會議咧，我哋都要用議程嘅喎。咁秘書啦，呢個責任就係要記錄佢個會議啦，同埋要分俾啲會員嘅喎。咁我哋仲有一個咧，就係區域會議啦，呢個就係 Zoom meeting 一年佢有3次嘅。咁我哋喺會議之前我哋就要聯絡下其他人啦。咁可以有嗰個佢叫做獅子純壽司佢直譯啦咁其實佢係一個歡迎嗰個歡迎賓啦，即係歡迎員啦，即係有嗰啲總監或者你求其啲會員嚟，你都可以歡迎嘅。咁有開始之前咧，有個可以祝禱啦，又話唱下國歌啦咁。 有啲項目嘅主席啦，咁你之前要聯絡佢哋咯喎。咁有個叫做柳美式柳唔係尾巴扭轉者啊，叫 tail twister 啦，佢可以有陣時未必次次都講嘢噶嘛，做嘢噶嘛。咁啊秘書啦，咁你要聯絡佢啲人係咪樣樣都做？點解有個問號喺嗰個竹肚同埋菱角哥？因為唔係個個都啊、即係有啲會係唔做噶嘛，即係冇所謂噶嚇。咁嗱跟住你就要確定個議程要開會之前要講咩啦，就要準備啦。咁啊，重要就係定時啦嚇，點樣定時法咧？因為我哋有陣時開會咁多嘢講，有咁多人喺度，咁我哋要控制嗰個場合喎，咁你唔可以即係俾一個人咧就講咗好多嘢就扯離開嗰個題目啦。咁我哋仲要更新下之前嗰個會議啦，咁我哋講咗啲咩嘢？咁我哋要更新啦。咁我哋就要確保下邊一個負責邊啲，就有啲咩資源。咁我哋就要呢樣嘢，我哋喺計劃裡面我哋要知道噶啦。咁我哋仲要問下財政攞個報告咯喎，到時就會講出嚟啦。咁有啲咩要處理啊咁啦，嚇，同埋要跟進啦。即係上一次講完會議有啲未做完嘅，咁可以跟進啦。咁咧通常咧喺會議結束嗰陣時咧，你都會問下仲有咩事項啦。咁因為呢個都係個循序式嚟到做嘅。嗱，呢一個咧就係我哋PCC L 嗰個佢個 agenda 啦，佢就係佢就咁樣做嘅，佢就將呢個嗱你可以參考佢啦嚇，有舊嘅 business 新嘅 business 啦，咁佢有 calendar，但係唔係一定呢個只不過參考啫。咁即係佢打橫咁，你可以分一半咁樣。佢後邊咧，佢就做咗咧，佢做咗啲咩？佢呢年啊咧，佢就剔一剔咁，佢知道做咗啲咩啦。咁呢啲佢都係即係可以作為參考用嘅。嗱，咁我哋開會咯喎，嗰陣時點啊？咁我頭先講咗有議程啦，咁我哋要我哋要跟住啲議程嚟做嘢，我唔好跳啊，跳嚟跳去咧，咁即係做呢個議程都冇用啦，係咪？一定要即係順序啦。咁最好就提前到達啦。嗱，你一定要15分鐘之前到達喎。如果你15分鐘都唔到達咧，你即時遲到噶咯喎。咁我哋梗係要好開心咁歡迎每個入嚟嗰啲會員啦，即係好有熱情咁歡迎佢哋啦。咁我哋要頭先都講過，要保持嗰個程序啦，你要控制嗰個場面啦，因為你係領導者嘛，你係主席，咁你就要控制人哋唔好講到過咗第二度，咁你就即係都要聽下啲會員嘅意見嘅。咁其實每個人都有發言權嘅，但係咁佢就唔好一路咁講唔完啦，係咪？咁我哋就準時開始同埋準時結束啦。有陣時啲會咧係開，譬如喺 lunch 喺下午食 lunch 嗰陣時開啦。咁我哋即係要準時完啦。好似就算我哋而家有陣時夜晚黑開會7點鐘有陣時開，咁開到即係8點零9點，有啲人開始眼瞓咯，所以即係你即係要唔好拖得咁長啦。咁我哋就要跟從嗰個議院程序啦，呢個。咁如果我開個董事會議咧，其實都係一樣嘅形式噶啦。我哋要準備個議程啦，又要確保嗰個攞嗰啲委員會嘅報告啦，唔係個個委員會都有報告嘅。咁有啲有嘅，咁我哋咪即係可以喺個會議程序嗰度就話有邊幾個有報告啦。咁財務報告啦。咁係啦，咁秘書梗係要分發之前嗰個議程俾所有要開會嘅人啦。咁我哋要討論啦，同埋檢討下我哋嘅目標嘅進展啦。咁我哋係啦，呢度就係繼續嘅啫。咁我哋又確定我哋嘅行動啦，邊個負責邊一樣嘢咧？咁我哋咧就幾時要到期要做呢樣嘢，係咪？咁我哋又要睇下有咩嘢要嚟緊啦嘅活動啦，有冇演講者啦？譬如有陣時有啲第二啲嘅獅子會有啲function 喎，有啲咁或者去參加，或者就算我哋個區有啲活動啦，都可以去踴躍參加嘅。 咁我哋要睇下啲舊嘅業務同埋新業務啊。咁我哋解散會議啦。其實睇先啊。咁會議嘅紀律咧就由秘書做啦。咁咧秘書咧就將所有嘅動議同埋結果咧都要寫低啦。咁其實主要咧都係寫低佢嗰個嗰個嗰個行動嘅項目啦，邊個負責人啊，邊度截止啦。咁咧就唔需要每一點點細節都講晒嘅。係啦，呢度頭先我都呢度都係同我想講嘅一樣啦嚇，即係重點一定要講重點啦。咁預計其實係一個禮拜裡面咧，你就要寫低啦。寫低咗之後，你就即係要記出俾會長睇睇，係咪你係會長？係咪？佢對秘書咧就俾個會長睇，會長話 OK 喎，啱啦，咁你就發出去啦。個秘書發出去可以。咁將董事會個定期嘅會議同埋記錄咧，都會分發所有嘅會員嘅。嗱，咁我哋就頭先講過就我哋用嗰個議會程序啦，我哋就引用呢個羅伯特議事規則。點解呢？我哋用呢個咧？因為我哋嘅大家都可以一致咁樣有呢個程序方式咁召開會議，咁大家都統一啦。我哋國際獅子會咧都係採取呢樣嘅。咁我哋唔係跟晒，但係重要嘅點點樣去去 motion 嗰啲就跟住啦。咁嗱，係 MD19嘅手冊，會長嘅手冊喎，12第13頁翻去睇睇啦。咁咧呢度就有詳盡咁講佢討論嗰個程序嘅。咁我哋講到咧分區嘅主席同埋總監嘅探訪喎。咁咧嗰個程序或者嗰個詳細咧，你都可以喺 MD19會長個手冊第23頁翻去揭揭啦，就會睇到要做啲乜嘢啦。咁簡單嚟講咧，我哋分區主席咧就通常都要喺總監之前咧就要嚟探會一次嘅。其實係跟住就同總監一齊，所以其實係2次啦。咁咧你就要透過嗰啲郵件即係 email 啦，或者電話又好啦，即係確保佢知道confirm 佢幾時嚟探會，邊日同埋時間地點。有陣時咧，我哋啲會有陣時會改咗時間同埋地點嘅，去咗我都試過有啲咧就去咗第2間酒樓㗎。咁我哋要安排個歡迎佢哋嗰個叫做迎賓員咁咧喺當日啦，記住喎，咁我哋係總監嚟嗰陣時咧，我哋就唔好有其他嘅演講者，因為我哋咧真係要尊重嗰個總監嚟啦。咁啦，總監同埋松 Chair 嗰啲費用咧，就係個級俾嘅。咁我哋喺嗰個分區主席，即使係松 Chair 啦，就正式介紹總監啦。嗰陣時就要咁咧。總監係開始同埋結束嗰陣時咧，通常咧佢一開始講，我哋要起身啦，起身跟住我哋要鼓掌呢個係一個禮貌啦。咁結束之後我哋都有陣時咧就會安排啦同我哋嗰個董事會即係可以傾下你自己個會講下你自己有啲咩想做或者啲乜嘢或者投訴都可以啦咁咧就係仲有其他嘅禮節程序咁樣咁有陣時你想去探第二個會喎，咁一樣啦，你要話俾人知喎，咁最緊要咧就係準時啦同埋你仲有咧，如果有啲人啲訪客咧貴賓咧喺第二個即係美國嚟啦，我哋喺加拿大，咁如果美國就先唱加拿大國歌先，如果倒轉咧，加拿大就唱美國國歌先。咁如果你請某一個人嚟參加你個活動啦，咁咧其實照情理咧，你就幫佢付餐費啦禮貌上啦。咁我有冇 skip 到？我冇。咁啦嗱，咁我哋而家有個獅子嗰個超越獎啦，呢個成日年年都好似有啲更改噶啦。咁而家都唔，今年咧佢就唔需要填 form 添啊，唔需要填 form 交上去，係自動。如果你報咗嗰個Line Portal 咧， 佢就自動會知道你做咗啲乜嘢㗎啦，所以咧一定要去報告啊。咁好似話要會籍要加2個啦，或者1/10嘅新會員啦。咁我哋要做服務啦，好似我哋而家呢個新國際獅子會會長就要做3個主要啦，好似上次做嗰個 mental health 啦。我哋而家做 hunger 啦，遲啲就會做 environment，即係環境啊。咁仲有我哋要有我哋show到我哋嘅領導能力同埋組織啊，同埋宣傳呢個佢而家都加咗啦，即係佢要知道你點樣可以即係宣傳你個會要做嘅嘢啦，同埋你有啲咩發展啦嚇。咁而家唔使 form 啦，所以其實都唔需要去嗰度 form 嗰度，但係你可以裡面咧上呢個 Lions Club 嗰個咧就嗰度就可以即係查到最新嗰個規則啦。佢仲有個5星級獎喎，5星級獎咧其實都係一樣嘅，只不過你做多一啲，即係就係5個會員啦。咁其餘嗰啲一樣㗎，你睇下嗰個牌有5粒星啊。咁咧，我哋咧就會員咧，咁有獎勵啦吓，咁我哋即係有個會長嗰個卓越獎啦。嗱，側跟嗰個就即係我哋就叫盾牌啦。咁有咩1分鐘又有佢個獎啦，即係呢個係咩1分鐘嘅獎係國際獅子會認可嘅。其實呢個唔係獎嚟嘅，一個 fellowship 嚟嘅嚇。有 MD 咧，有好多唔同嘅獎項啦，咁你可以入去睇睇啦。咁好似有陣時我哋會啦，有啲年度嗰個獅子獎啦，俾你個會裏面，你覺得邊個值得有呢項獎啦？咁仲有或者啲委員會嘅主席獎啦，或者你最新嘅獅子獎啦，最佳最新獅子獎。或者其實你可以自己創造啲獎嘅喎，咁有陣時咧唔係一定要啲咁大嘅獎嘅，咁你一張普通嘅獎狀啊都 OK 㗎，certificate 啊咁即係 OK 㗎，咁你都係確認佢做咗一啲對個會有貢獻嘅嘢啦。咁你頒獎嗰陣時啦，我哋首先而家要準備啦，即係我哋要即係佢個發音啊，我哋有陣時啲字啦嗰啲尤其是嗰啲名咧，有陣時我哋自己都唔發音唔正確或者唔識啊！我成日都Anthony，你個 last name 我成日都唔識點樣發音。咁我問咗你好多次，咁咧就我哋又要俾適當嗰啲人選咧，即係嗰啲人咧就有嗰啲有適當嘅認許啦、認可佢啦，就話呢個其實係好嘅，就算有陣時我哋講 thank you 咧，已經好，即係都係一個最平嘅獎項嚟嘅。咁你要準備嗰個獎啦嚇，你唔好到時臨急臨忙先至拆佢喎，咁你最好拆咗佢先啦嚇，先至俾人啊，唔好喺個 box 度當時拆咯喎。咁我哋頒獎嗰時，我哋要表現得我哋要尊重佢啦，有陣時即係要尊嚴啦，就其實好重要嘅。我哋有陣時都好善忘啦，最好用筆記寫啦，尤其是我哋而家咧，即年紀都唔細，有陣時啲嘢都唔記得㗎嚇，尤其是程序個問題。之後講咗好多次啦，準備呢樣嘢係好緊要嘅。咁啦，而家講下啲憲法同埋負責啦。咁你睇下你個會嗰啲係咪最新喎？係咪 update 啦？咁即係咪合乎最新國際獅子會嘅指引啦？咁你個會有冇跟住咁樣做咧？有陣時你可以咧委派一個一個團體啦，去審查下睇下我哋係咪最新啊？如果有啲唔啱可以 update 自己會裡面嗰個憲法啦，或者係負責嘅。咁你就嗰個委員會咧就俾嗰個董事會就去報告俾董事會，然之後睇下大家去批唔批准或者要改嘅。咁我哋講官員個選舉啦，咁我哋一定要佢一定要呢個選舉咧，一定要符合憲法同埋負責啦。個會長咧就通常咧都可以負責整個程序嘅，佢可以任命啲委員會啦。通常我哋喺3月咧就組織一個任命委員會啦，因為咧4月咧就選舉啦嘛。咁秘書咧就 喺5月15號就要交落，呢個就要你可以 email 啦，就寄去嗰個 MD19個 office 啦。但係你4月15號咧，你就要喺 Line Portal 嗰度咧就登記晒你最新嗰啲嗰啲幹部嗰啲職位啦。咁啊會籍啦嚇，講到咁我哋通常都要問啦，係嘛？有陣時我哋唔問啊，人哋又唔會參加嘅，即係所以咧有陣時我哋怕啦，唔敢問啦。其實即係要問佢就你其實有陣時會有啲意外嘅收穫。咁我哋咧睇下點樣可以令到啲會員參與咯喎，咁梗係要佢哋積極參與啦。咁你即係提供每一個成員咧都有機會，等佢有啲即係叫做親切感啦嚇，歸屬感啦。咁所有嘅即係活動，如果佢哋唔能夠所有嘅參與，都希望佢盡量都可以參與一啲重要嘅部分啦。咁有陣時如果你蒐集呢個叫做會員滿意指南喎，咁你睇下有時有啲咩唔滿意做法咁樣，你可以即係都要做一個調查咯，又係。咁我哋講到咧，即係點解獅子嗰啲人會退出個會啦？其實我哋國際獅子會咧，對呢一項呢個嘢都好緊張嘅。咁佢對嗰啲以前嗰啲會員咧，咁就調查下啦。咁以下嗰啲就其中嗰啲部分啦。咁我覺得個會真係好悶啦嚇，效率又低咯喎。咁嗰啲會議仲多過乜服務項目又唔夠喎。咁嗰啲活動咧好劇烈喎，你知啦，我哋都唔年輕啦嚇，有陣時啲劇烈嘅嘢我哋又做唔到啦，所以我哋就想吸引多啲年青嘅會員嚟啦。咁啲會員又唔享受啲會議，因為頭先都話悶啊嘛，係咪？咁啲咁嘅嗰啲服務項目又冇乜興趣喎，咁所以我哋就要有陣時啲新人咧就帶來好多新嘅意見啊，睇下啲咩有啲有趣味性嘅服務事項啦。咁呢樣咧就最弊噶啦，就係太政治化啦。咁我哋就講下點樣可以留住啲會員咯喎。咁我哋就即係會員一嚟啦，咁我哋進行培訓啦。有陣時我哋可以上網聽阿 L 佢有個啊、每個月都有一個新會員嘅嗰個培訓嘅。咁我哋就要根據會員嘅興趣咧，就分組啦。有陣時佢中意就做嗰樣，咁我哋咪俾佢做咯。咁同埋好多嗰啲項目咧，我哋就俾嗰啲其實唔係淨止佢嘅，佢屋企人啊，或者佢有小朋友都可以歡迎佢一齊參與。咁最好即係搞啲有趣味性嘅開會嗰陣時啦，即係唔係淨係開會，即係齋開會咁悶啦。咁可以有啲要請啲講員嚟講下，有啲有趣味嘅題目啦。唔好頂到一兩個咧，就做到咧，即係冇電喎，真係即係一個人都做到疲勞得滯，又要休息啦。咁咧就我哋真係要表揚嗰啲咧，真係做得好嗰啲㗎。咁如果你覺得哎呀真係唔知點算啦，點樣可以留住佢咧？咁你可以同區域總監啦，或者嗰個高部嗰個全球嗰個會員嗰個 coordinator 啦，GMT 嗰度幫助啦。或者我哋又要做嗰個調查表啦吓，咁但係我哋調查完咧就要進行至得㗎，唔好調查完係只不過一個普通一個程序，但係你真係要檢討究竟我哋需要做啲乜嘢啦吓。咁我哋有陣時要了解下啲會員有咩動機，點解我哋要參加呢個會啦吓？咁我哋有啲會員參加就為咗服務㗎喎，佢真係為服務而做嘅。咁有啲咧就佢想係參加做領導者啦吓。咁有啲咧，佢兩樣都想要，佢又想做服務，佢又想做領導，冇所謂㗎。咁我哋所以咧，我哋就了解每一個義工佢嗰個目標咯，佢想做啲咩咯，咁合乎佢嗰個佢嗰樣個目標咁佢就會開心咁做啦。咁記得要尊重佢個目標啦，係啦。呢樣嘢衝突管理啦，咁我哋都唔想到大家手指指下有咩衝突啦。咁而到時如果真係有發生嗰陣時咧，我哋要即刻解決呢個內部嘅矛盾咯喎。咁我哋要了解雙方面啦嚇，即係有陣時幾方面添啦，係咪？ 咁我哋將有所關即係有關嗰啲成員啊一齊見面啦。咁我哋要最緊要咧，其實呢樣嘢都要細讀我哋獅子會個道德嗰個叫做咩啊？獅子會道德準則㗎。唔好俾一個人咧就控制晒成個過程。我有陣時佢講晒下，又唔俾第二個人講，咁啊唔好啦。即係每人即係佢每方面咧都可以有佢個講佢嗰個原因啊，或者事實嘅。咁所有嘅有相關嘅人咧，最好都係能夠退一步啦，海闊天空啦。咁有陣時保存面子啦。咁啊最佳嘅方法都係大家能夠和解啦，係咪？咁我哋都準即係如果佢哋想離場嗰陣時咧，我哋都可以批准嘅。咁如果有即需要啦，咁其實最好就有第三者就幫手可以調停呢件事啦。嗱，咁我哋最新咧，其實呢個叫做呢個 Shuk Harborside 個 Alliance，佢就準備咗一個佢制定咗一個叫做衝突嘅解決嘅指南喎。有一個嗰個委員會啦，就可以解決嘅。咁裡面都有會長啊、副會長啊，咁有啲資深嘅會員啦。咁佢係邀請雙方喺公平同埋尊重嘅環境之下裏面咧，就解決問題嘅。咁如果但係咧，我哋雙方面所講嘅嘢咧，最好咧就保持秘密喎，唔好成日呢個講完又攞出去講喎。咁太多是非㗎啦。咁咧就如果我哋有陣時真係解決唔到啦，咁點啊？咁我哋可以求請幫宋 Chair 啦，或者係DG 總監啦幫助啦。咁其他嗰個官員嘅職責，咁咧有副會長秘書財務主管咁啦。我呢度咧就簡單講講佢哋嘅職責啦，就唔詳情咁講，因為其實另外有第二啲課程係專講佢哋嘅副會長嘅角色啦。咁咧嗱，會長唔喺度啦，咁你就係分為副會長咧，咁你其實咧就要做會長嘅角色啦。你一樣有會長嘅同等嘅權利㗎。咁咧，每個副會長咧都係負責監督同埋指定嘅委員嗰個委員會嘅。咁副會長咧一定要熟悉會長個職責啦，同埋會內嘅活動喎。咁你都係董事會嘅一個成員咧，你都係參與董事會嘅。咁你就盡可能啦，都要參與會裡面嘅活動啦。咁必要時咧，你真係要代替會長嘅，所以你哋一定要知道會長嘅做乜嘢啦。要睇下啲委員會個進度點樣啦。咁如果到下一年啦咁通常咧嗰個副會長、第一會長就會升做會長噶照理就係咁啦。咁嗱，而家講緊秘書啦，秘書啦，梗係要喺 Line Portal 嗰邊咧就登記嗰啲保持嗰啲會員嘅資訊啦，有陣時要加會員啦、轉會員啦或者退出呢啲都喺Line Portal 嗰度秘書要做嘅。咁你最少咧每個月都入一次去睇下啦，即係有陣時你做咗啲服務最好就一個月裡面就清咗佢，唔好留得咁多，到年尾你就真係有排搞啦。咁喺例行會同埋董事會裡面咧，你就係要寫記錄啦。咁處理好啲會內嗰啲信件email 嗰啲咯，同埋根據需要就要交報告啦。好似年中有個報告啦，你係秘書你就要做啦。咁我哋仲要寫低邊啲人嚟個探會或者有邊啲人去咗啲大會啦，即係 convention 啦。咁我哋就要保持會員個名冊嘅記錄啦，即係要更新啦。有陣時佢哋搬咗去邊度要寫低清楚啦。講到財政啦，財政嗰個佢個職責係點啦？佢就係記錄嗰啲財務帳單嗰啲報告啦。咁咧頭先都係有兩個基金係咪？兩至三個啦。咁就一個活動基金就喺出邊咧就捐出嚟嗰啲款同埋禮物咧就唔可以喺會裡面開支㗎。 就有個行政基金啦，好似喺獅子會個會員裏面籌集嗰啲咧，就可以用喺個支付嗰個會費嘅費用啦。有陣時我哋Zoom 咧有嗰啲license啊，或者保險箱啊，或者嗰啲都要喺嗰個行政基金嗰度用啦。咁我哋就要準備所有嘅預算啦，個財政預算喺啲基金係點樣用嘅？咁你準備咗之後咧，你經過董事會批咗咧，咁你要俾單啦，你即係負責開出嗰啲，有陣時你要到呢去邊一度，咁你就要開張支票啦。咁啊，講到董事會啦，咁董事咧喺董事會同埋董事會同埋會長都一齊咧，整體方面嚟到嗰個決定嗰個方向同埋目標啊。咁董事就係董事會嘅成員，佢係有投票權嘅，每人都有一個投票權嘅。咁你係董事，你係要了解董事會裏面嘅角色同埋職責喎。咁你梗係要你了解之後，你仲要去參與啦。所以有陣時董事會嗰啲裏面有好多問題，你要知道啦。咁要積極參與同埋討論個抉擇，要積極參與喎。嗱，作為一個領導啦，你可以喺呢方面發揮你做會長嗰個領導潛力啦。咁你可以帶領你其個會員去實現佢個目標啦。咁每個成員咧都有好重要嘅角色嘅。咁你就將佢哋所擅長嘅，你就引致佢就可以做到佢自己佢哋發揮到佢嘅潛能啦。咁我哋一齊咁樣去到一齊咁提升個會嘅服務嘅潛質啦。記得喎，要遵守獅子會嘅道德準則，Lions Code of Ethics。嗱，呢樣嘢好緊要啦。有陣時咧，我哋財務暫停規則喎。咁如果出現以下嘅問題咧，國際獅子會咧可以將你嗰個處於個財務暫停嘅狀態喎。嗱，如果你超過120日，你都未交晒你嗰啲會費啦，或者係超過20蚊美金一個成員啦，就或者總共超過1000蚊美金啦。咁如果又係即係喺暫停之後，下一個月嘅28日，你都未交齊你啲會費啦，咁你可能會被取消啦。嗱，譬如嚟講，截止係6月30日，咁你個會咧已經過咗120日，你又爭1200喎，咁咁你就要你個會咧就處於個財務暫停個狀態噶。咁如果你7月28號咧，你都未交晒啲錢咧，咁你就個會就會被取消啦。咁如果取消過2次以上咧，你就個會就冇資格可以重新啟用噶啦。所以咧，你就要按時交你嗰啲獅子會嗰啲賬單啦。但係國際獅子會咧，佢唔會無端端咁就會暫停你嘅。佢喺之前咧，佢就會同你嘅財務主管啊、秘書啊、會長咁聯絡溝通過嘅。咁如果嗰個國際獅子會財務嗰個部門獲准咗你有一個計劃去點樣去可以去即係點去做呢個履行呢個即係俾錢個程序，或者點樣安排點樣，即係可以喺叫做咩定期還債啊？咁咧就唔會，如果佢批准咗之後，就唔會有呢個被暫停嘅財務情況，因為佢知道你有呢個計劃去做啊嘛。咁如果但係你取消咗喺12個月之內咧，如果你將你啲錢俾晒咧，咁呢個就可以撤銷啦。咁就會取消呢個，你可以就恢復翻你個會啦，你個 account。嗱，咁你如果你喺暫停財務嘅期間咧，你獅子會咧所有嘅活動同埋籌款你係唔可以做噶。你就算連着住獅子 logo 嘅衫咧，都唔可以喺公眾場合着啦。咁咧，你唯一做嘅咧就係同董事會同埋普通會員開會，點樣去清理呢筆數，點樣去搞翻掂個會啦。嗱，加拿大個會咧，嗱，我哋有陣時啦就 要俾嗰啲會費啦，就俾 check 噶。通常咁我啲 check 咧就寄去多倫多嗰個郵箱嘅。咁嗰個多倫多郵箱咧，佢清理咗之後咧，清算啦嚇。咁佢就會寄去芝加哥，芝加哥係我哋個總部啦，就會去個清算中心嗰度嘅。咁個清算中心搞掂咗啦，就會寄翻去多倫多啦。咁多倫多咧搞掂咗咯喎，佢又透過國際交易嗰個清算啦。你知唔知總共嚟講要幾啊？2至3個月啦。咁你話啦，即係獅子會真係會暫停喺個財務嗰個位置啦？點解？因為你話我寄咗去咯，我交咗會費咯，但係你睇下來回嗰啲咧係需要時間㗎，所以其實咧就收到單咧就好盡快寄啦。啊，如果你話我用信用卡或者嗰啲金融支付卡就點啊？其實都係一樣嘅啫，同寫 check 一樣，都係要經過嗰啲程序。咁咧，你個獅子會又係陷於財務暫停啦，因為你俾咗錢，但係佢收唔到啊嘛。咁咧，而家就佢哋有個新嘅方案啦，就可以用呢個叫做預授權扣款啦。咁咧就可以俾呢個國際獅子會啦個會費啦。咁咧呢個你可以去個 lionscanada.ca 呢個網站咧裡面嗰度開噶啦。咁即係國際獅子會就通過個電子郵件咧，就將啲會費咧就發俾嗰個財務主管啦。咁個財務主管咧就會回覆話授權銀行你可以攞呢筆錢啦。咁來來往往只係2個工作天就搞掂啦。所以呢個結果咧，你哋個會咧就信譽良好啦，就呀咁我講下做 Lion Portal 嘅好處啦，有咩好處啊？嗱，我哋報告新嘅會員啊、轉移啊、刪除都會喺嗰度噶啦。同埋咧，我哋而家就冇咗嗰個叫做咩啊？嗰名冊噶嘛。咁你所有咧嗰啲名冊咧，你可以秘書你可以即係做秘書，佢可以 download 啊，或者你會長都可以嘅。佢所有嘅資料都可以 download 出嚟嘅。咁咧就要報告你個服務活動啦，又喺嗰度全部收集晒所有嘅嘢都等喺裏面嘅。嗱，你仲可以咧喺經過嗰度咧，你入咗去咧，你可以有嗰個獅子學習中心裏面啦，有好多課程要上噶，你可以去得閒去上下課啦，唔使錢噶嗰啲課程嚇。同埋咧，你仲要可以去獅子購物店喎，咁你可以買好多嘢啦但係都係買獅子嘢嘅啫有獅子衫或者獅子嘅嗰啲信件或者有陣時即係唔同嘅個獅子嗰啲嘢咯。仲可以去網上交費，而家幾方便。咁我講下你點樣利用你嘅資源啦。你好多資源嘅，你周圍都係資源噶。你睇下過去嗰啲官員啦同埋你而家呢個好似會長嘅訓練班啦你又可以聽多幾次都唔緊要因為有陣時我哋聽少少，跟住加加埋埋聽多幾次，你就會吸收多啲啦。有個電子呢個會長電子書啦。仲有我哋有 MD19 有好多個課程啦，你可以去上啦。有啲叫做咩西北獅子領導學院啦又可以去上堂喎，呢個要錢㗎。有 MD19 同埋國際獅子會就好多訓練班㗎，培訓班㗎。有地區嗰啲會員啦、領導服務擴張嗰啲團體你都可以問佢哋㗎，呢啲都係你哋嘅資源嚟㗎。仲有嗰個我哋嗰個分區主席總監副總監係啦，同埋以前嘅，同埋啲前任總監呢啲全部都有咩唔明都可以問嘅。仲有國際獅子會同埋國際獅子會個基金輔助啦，呢啲都可以用噶。仲有啲新聞來源啦即係新聞來源係正確嘅獅子雜誌裏面噶啦。我哋有獅子會嘅通訊錄啦，有啲季刊有陣時我而家唔知啦，有陣時間中我哋又收到一個嗰啲 magazine 嘅咁有 MD19 呢個 Border Crossing 係 MD19 噶，佢好似每2個月出一次嘅。咁有地區嘅通訊啦，有陣時你啲總監會出一啲，或者你個松 chair 又會出一啲啦，係咪？講到領導同學習啦，咁國際獅子 會學習中心嘅課程有好多啦，咁佢裡面嘅內容就包括有僕人式嘅領導啦，有公關啦，同埋可以激勵下我哋做團體嘅激勵啦，又可以管理啲會議啦，仲有好多好多好多好多啊！你要去睇下啦。咁啊，仲有個獅子大學啦，咁佢雖然有唔同嘅，但係佢哋都係要讀一啲有關獅子課程嘅。你可以攞你個 Bachelor 啊，即係嗰啲獅子叫做咩啊，碩士啊、學士啊、嗰啲啦。咁啊，仲有可以參加咧好多各區嘅培訓班啦。而家你知道點樣去成為一個獅子會嘅會長啦？嗱，其實咧有陣時我哋喺呢個漫長嘅日子裏面咧，你要記得喎。嗱，呢個嘢就係話雨滴喺石頭裏面啦，咁樣有個窿啦，佢唔係因為大力咁樣捶打落去嘅喎，咁因為成日落雨啦，咁啊好似我哋溫哥話成日落雨啦，咁啊落下咧就先至成一個窿嘅。個意思即係話咧，其實有陣時我哋咧即係有遇到挫折啦，係有陣時即係唔係好順利，但係我哋每一個步伐一個步伐咁一路咁去做咧，咁始終咧你都會見到有成果嘅。嗱，如果你做咗，你成功做咗呢個獅子會長，你個獅子會個會長你個合乎晒佢裏面嗰個要做嗰啲嘢，係有呢個幾靚嗰個章可以個 pin 可以擺喺你件制服嗰度，好靚噶。你睇下到尾聲啦，幾好。咁啊，其實你哋已經做咗半年啦，咁你仲有一半嘅啫，你可以繼續做得更好啦。咁咧。呢個咧就係原創者咧，就係我哋嘅Past Council Chair，係我哋最喜愛嘅 Past Council Chair Al Hamstrom 啦。佢就整理嘅，咁我就只不過做一個翻譯嘅啫。咁嗰啲內容咧都係取材於佢嗰度嘅。咁啦，大家就係咁。我而家就 unshare 啦，就睇下你哋有乜嘢問題發問先。呢樣咧，呢個有一個難度嚟嘅喎。unshare 哦。Stop sharing 點啊？大家起身啦，有冇人瞓着咗？
In the chat, I have
Yeah.
put the PowerPoint that Jocelyn just worked on in the chat. If you would like to download it for your own use, open the chat, click on the last item at the bottom, and it will download onto your computer.
Yeah. 有睇下啲問題先，係啦。哦，哇，咩叫 One Loser 咁就嗰本書好大嘅喎。咁咧，其實主要我哋都係用嗰幾個喺開會嗰陣時個程序係點樣嘅，尤其是我哋要叫做咩講英文叫做要 motion 啦，就要 set 緊要嗰啲就嗰個 order 咧就要至緊要嘅。Stephen 咧就話咩要 keep order running through meeting smoothly。哦，佢已經答咗你啦，有 discussion 啊嘛，即係要討論啦嚇。咁DG 同 Song Chair，how is it sitting at the head table？哇，誒L Hamstrong，can you tell us that how is it sitting when the Song Chair and the DG is coming to visit？
It depends on how many people you want seated at this head table. And there is, I think, two or three different diagrams in the MD-19 President's Handbook. So you can figure out just exactly who sits where.
呀，啱嘅，即係你要睇翻你個會長守則啦。咁阿 Wayman 話點樣買級買 way 喎？嗱，因為咧，其實獅子會都好多嘢，好似我哋開會咁啦嚇，個程序其實咧，你淨係 call to order 同埋adjourn 個 meeting 係好重要嘅，其中裡面中間嗰啲咧都係 optional 嘅，你唱國歌你可以唱，你唔唱又得，即係裡面都係 optional 嘅，咁即係你做會中意做乜，但係你都有一個 guideline。你係獅子會，你一定要，即係好似話你坐台嗰啲位置咁。有陣時我哋做獅子，我哋都要 要照顧嗰個程序嚟做咯。So, L, the question is, what is my cup, my way? I just explained a little in Chinese. Maybe you could say it in English.
My Club, My Way is a recognition that every club has a great deal of autonomy, that they can figure out what they want to do for themselves, the service projects that they want to pursue, the fundraising efforts that they want to do, where and how they meet, et cetera, et cetera. All of this is up to the club. And there is a publication that Lions International makes called Your Club, Your Way. And in there, it goes into greater detail about the autonomy of every club.
你明啊？Raymond，你冇開機啊，聽唔到你講嘢，未開。
He's working on it. He had it turned on a while ago.
你要開你個咪啊，開咪啊。
What she said.
I have no idea. Raymond, we cannot hear you. 你要開你個咪，我聽唔到你講嘢。
The little microphone icon at the bottom of your image, the bottom corner of your image, click on that red microphone and that should turn it back on.
而當佢慢慢整啦嚇，咁我哋問下其他人有冇問題啦。啊啊
Or put it in the chat. Ask a
呀，
question in the chat.
徐玲啊，你有冇問題啊？你係會長喎，今年
冇咩問題啊，我而
你有問題？
家當咗第三個會長咯。
係咯，你做會長啦嚇，
係啊，做過
依家聽唔聽到啊？
三年，
哦，
係啊，唔該，而家係第三個。
依家聽唔聽到啊？
啊，
聽到啦。
你嘅會，你嘅做法你有咩搞？你明嘛？你而家又唔講嘢嘅，我聽到喎。
你而家聽唔聽到我講嘢？
聽到
聽
，yes。
到。
Oh, okay. Hi, Steve. No, I just curious about what is meant by your club, your way. Because I encounter some unhappy experience from my last group, and I try to let them know follow the rules, but obviously they reply that your club your way. So that's why I kind of curious. What does it mean by your club your way? Does it mean they can change the routine that they want, or the club can change the routine that they want, or don't necessarily have to follow the protocol? That's my main concern.
Yes, that is correct. It's up to every club as to what protocol they wish to follow. It's up to every club to figure out what sort of procedures that they want to follow. The general rule is that if it is not unethical, if it is not illegal, if it is for the good of the club and the good of the community, you can do it.
同埋我緊要係成個 board of director agree to do so. Yeah.
But I kind of thought at least they should follow the basic guideline before they can say or they can change what they want, right? Basic guideline.
Basic guidelines of what specifically?
Well, which is the protocol, like say meeting for once a month or twice a month,
right?
Or have a specific location. But some people like to jump across every different place every week. You know, this is not supposed to be, right? That's what I want. One day is my home, next day is your house, and then
Uh-huh.
another day is a food court, right?
Yeah.
That's not what I see is your club, your way,
Um,
right?
it is not improper to do that.
Yes.
Uh, it is perfectly allowable if the club decides that they want to change the meeting location and time. Every meeting, they can do that if they want. As long as the club generally agrees that this is what we're going to do, then yeah, again, if it's not unethical, if it's not illegal, you can do it.
before 我哋再繼續，我想大家開個鏡頭，我哋影下個相先嚇，然之後再繼續。我驚有啲人會逐
你睇Jocelyn 你睇
睇到
唔睇到我？你睇
睇到你，我想睇下徐玲啦，徐玲，你可以開機嘛？
係啊係啊，
你可以
喺呢度。
睇唔睇到你？你個樣我睇唔到你。而家上網
OK，
啊！我哋大家，哦，hi，
係
nice oh, it's good to like see everybody.
yeah
Yeah,
thank you
smile, Steven, smile. Okay, good.
Maria
Yeah, 好的，好的。啊，yeah，係啊，即係 as a past council chair L said, like as long as like it's okay for the club member, it's ethical, it's illegal，可以合法冇傷害人嘅係可以都可以嘅。
Does
I
that
do
answer your
not-
questions?
Yeah.
Certain points I still not agree, but I will talk to you, Al, discuss with you
Sure,
regarding to some of the issues, but
sure.
we don't need to talk about that in here, but I definitely will send message to you and get more right information from you.
Of course.
Yeah.
In the chat is my email address, by all means.
Okay, I really appreciate it.
No problem.
Good, good。其他人有冇問題啊？Anthony，你做咗兩屆會長咯，你都好熟噶啦，係咪？有冇啲咩事情你
係
覺得
3屆啦，唔係2屆啦。
第三屆咩啲你覺得
係啊
有改善啊？有冇啲困難啊？去運作嗰陣時？
其實都咁你話可能3屆就熟咁，所以都冇乜麻煩嘅。咁只不過通常第一屆嗰陣時就好多嘢都唔識啦，咁要上下呢個 seminar 啦，因為你個 seminar 都有一個係專係講即係點樣做會長啦。
係啦，係
咁
啦。
反而可能即係當然可以喺個 LCI 度或者 MT19 download 一啲即係 resources 啦，譬如頭先講一啲開會啲 procedures 啊啲咁嗰啲係可以即係有多啲資源去提供俾新嘅會長，咁就會好啲咯，容易做啲咯。
係啊，同埋有陣時我覺得會長同會長每個會個溝通都好，即係幫助大家去明白啦，係咪？每個會都有唔同嗰個，好似Raymond 講，每個會都唔同嗰個守則嗰啲嘢，係咪？即係 different club have different like way, so yeah, it's good to connect with each other, with each club, with the presidents too.
That's why I pay a visit to Diamond Lions Club yesterday
Oh,
to learn how they are doing their regular meeting and all that. Just like you said, get the experience from other clubs.
係啊，係好事，係啊。
I have a question for Al.
Uh-oh.
So, since the board of director, as well as the president, vice president, and all the members of the board are elected, so in a case where there is a disharmony or discord, is there such thing as vote of non-confidence, and where the president can be removed?
I can speak to that directly because that happened in my club a long time ago. We were having difficulties with the club president, and it finally came to a head at a board meeting. And while the president was standing there, we all decided that we wanted to hold another election for the club president. And of course, it's the membership that elects the club president. So the next general meeting, we held an election, and the old president was removed. And about a week later, she quit. So,
Yeah, unfortunately, yeah.
yeah, that's how it's done. That answer your question?
Yeah.
I think so. From my experience, I think tonight 今晚已經嗰個節目係好豐富，已經過咗時間啦。但我想有幾樣嘢補充一下。第一就係我哋個個都係義工嚟㗎。
啱。
OK，你唔好忘記我哋個個都係義工，我哋嘅時間啊、精神都好寶貴。咁嗰個 board of director 咧係會員選出嚟嘅。咁啊，其實咧即係實際上咧就係嗰啲會員咧係俾咗嗰個 authority，俾嗰個權咧係俾嗰個會長同埋嗰個 board 做啲嘢。但係如果佢哋有時係即係冇咁尊重佢個其他嗰個 board 嗰啲會員咧，同埋個會入邊嗰啲會員咧，佢哋真係忘記咗呢樣嘢，就係大家都係個時間，大家應該有個尊重俾佢。另外咧就係嗰時個會長咧就係疏忽咗，冇栽培嗰啲後人去代替佢，因為有好多時咧有啲會長做到10幾年、20年，因為佢冇擺啲精神去栽培。咁其實即係做獅子會同埋做生意都一樣啫嘛。如果你成日都係靠住自己去 run，咁你精力都係有限嘅。咁如果你唔栽培，你就做盤生意，你唔栽培啲人去交俾嗰啲下人去做咧，咁你會自己做死你根本就冇咁多精力，冇咁多精神去可以做嘅。
但係有時都要嗰個人要係想去做咯，即係亦唔係一定係全部都係個會長嘅責任啦，因為嗰個人自己去上去，佢有好多途徑可以去學習嘅咯。誒，
其實點解我會做咗
president
其實點解我做咗3年咧？就係其實因為即係簡單講啦，其實有陣時就比較難去揾到即係承繼人咁，尤其是你個會人數唔多啦，咁有啲又唔係即係好積極嘅，咁有啲淨係即係我俾一次會費就算嘅咁樣，咁所以有陣時係去即係尤其是而家呢個時期係好難揾到即係承繼嘅人咯，咁所以即係其實最重要第一步就係揾到人願意嘗試去想去。即係去做會長先至有得培訓，如果唔係咧都有時都幾難嘅。
係啊，我哋要
所以我做咁耐，
鼓勵大家要 step out of 佢個 comfort zone 去做佢個 president 或者 other club officer 啦嚇。
如果你栽培唔到啲人咧，就嗰個會長會做得好辛苦，即係長期做就會好辛苦。
係啊。
Lions Club 係一個 non-profit organisation，唔係個人嘅，OK？咁我想問你，如果每個人都有一個叫做英文叫 ego 啊，即係咩
自我中心啊，嚇，
？ego 即係自大啦，
自我咯，自我咯，
自我啦，即係唔理人哋講嘢啊，或者唔尊重。我頭先好中意啊 Stephen 講嗰句説話就叫尊重，OK？如果你做 leader 或者做某一個會員，你受唔到尊重，OK？因為佢本身係叫做即係自大，咁亦都好難令到好難令到嗰個 leader 喺個會度有啲咩發揮喎，照計就即係可以即係做得出，即係做得到話要領導或者要去搞個 club 嘅喎，照計。咁啊呢啲情況係亦都係好難搞嘅，照計。
咁但係尊重咧 respect 咧都係 both way 嘅，都係兩方面嘅。咁我哋要尊重我哋選出嚟嗰啲 officer 啦，咁 officer 一樣要尊重我哋啲會員咯，係兩方面嘅。
咁如果一方面受唔到尊重，咁第二方面冇理由 即係又尊重翻你㗎，照計就係咪應該咁啊？咩叫
所以
reciprocal 啊？
所以咪好多會員退會咯。
咁咪就係啦。咁我哋咧又要參與獅子會，又要有機會做咗個 leadership。咁你哋有咩方案咧？又 your club your way。
Well,
其
I
實如
think
果係想做好
你中
成
意做
功
乜就做乜，
嘅，
即係你中意做乜就做乜咁啊？
One at a time.
hey, I think that the club need to be open-minded to allow people to do something what they want and let them try it before we know they are doing a good job or not doing a good job. Just like example for Joycelyn this year. Okay, she came to Vancouver East and the club allowed her to do a lot of things, try a lot of things, but she did not break any rule of the Lions Club. So that's what how she learned and how she get interest into the Lions Club.
你知唔知咩叫未學行先學走啊？你講嗰啲係 very good，但係你係講緊已經有 experience 嘅 member。OK，當你遇到一啲或者I just want to be in as a lion，或者I just want to be in the club，又唔理人哋，即係或者唔會理會到，或者冇尊重其他嘅人，咁你又會覺得放手俾佢哋搞咯喎，係咪？我覺得就唔。
所以
Well,
佢都
the
連個
club,
basic 都未搞掂，佢點可以放手俾佢哋搞啊？或者你
the club is
佢
controlled by the board of director. It's not individual member. If the rest of the board of directors agree with it, then it all nothing is perfect for everybody. It can meet everybody assignment. But if majority agree with it, then should let them try.
And I think also sometimes we have to let go ourselves, our ego. Yeah. So you can just like some
呢
traditional
個係
club.
我好似係我提出嘅話嘅話，有人
我唔係一定係你咯，即係某高層啊嗰啲啦嚇，都要有陣時都
係咯，咁我都
攞佢
覺得。
頂帽啊，即係
我都覺得應該係先將嗰個人嘅自我唔好即係唔好加插在一個團體嗰度，我就覺得。
因為我哋大家都係 Lions 就係獅子會㗎嘛，
exactly，
係 equal 嘅。
但係拉人都要有分級數噶嘛，有分呢個即係好似翻學咁，你都有喺個班度，你都有班長啊嘛，係咪？啱唔啱？即係都要有啲尊重嘅，可以話唔可以話我唔中意聽你講嘢，你就可以咁，你令到啲 leader 咧好難做嘅，即係呢個係我睇法啦。你哋好 open 嘅，即係 let everybody do the way they want，right？ 所以每個 club 都有 problem，every club is a problem。
我想答下 Raymond 講嗰啲嘢啦。咁佢講係自己嘅私人嘅經驗係有好寶貴嘅，但係有好多會嘅會長或者係高層嘅咧，就覺得係應該或者做最多嘅嘢，或者捐最多嘅錢。咁其實嗰個最成功嗰個會咧，係應該嗰個會長咧係做好少嘢，但係佢指導同埋要嗰個 board 同埋佢哋嗰啲會員認同佢哋做合心一齊去做呢啲咁嘅 project 或者做呢啲咁嘅嘢。如果佢係指導得好，同埋嗰啲會員係 buy in 咧，咁你個 club 就會好 smooth 噶啦，同埋大家都會做得好開心。如果大家都了解到，大家完全個個都係個義工嚟㗎。如果你尊重呢樣嘢，同埋你尊重佢嗰啲會員選你出嚟咧，係尊重你同埋即係敬重你嘅能力同埋你嘅才能。咁你如果係自己已經有信心去咁，可以指導下其他啲人，
大家一齊心合力去做啲嘢咧，咁我諗係最成功就係咁樣做法。
係 delegate 其他人做。阿 Jenny 啊，同阿 Marina 同埋阿 Julie，你懂不懂啊？你聽懂不懂？
I have a translator here. Translate Cantonese to English.
Good for
你
you.
哋嘅你哋嘅英文都懂唔懂啊？
I can understand English, but not Cantonese.
Oh yeah.
Ah,
So we could say English if like, 'cause yeah.
good for
Moment
you.
ya.
Good for
Ting
you.
Yeah.
Yeah, Maria can understand. I don't. Now I have a subtitle. I can understand.
Oh yeah.
Yes,
Good.
respect, right? Like both way. So
聽懂廣東話識聽，
廣東話識聽。
係啊係啊，
識聽唔識講。
講少少講少少，
L, do you have
少少
translation to English? Huh? Do you have translation in English in front of you?
冇問題冇問題，no problem。
So like what Stephen was saying that, try to delegate to other club members to be as a successful candidate. I mean, president, right? Is that what you mean? Summarize.
Yeah, yeah.
Stephen.
Yeah,
That's
by
short.
all
Do
means.
you want me to repeat all in English again?
No.
Oh, I don't really don't want to bore you. What I
No.
wanted to say
Well,
is that we're all volunteers and we all deserve respect on each other. And the most successful leader tends to be the one who gets everyone to buy in, working and polling in the same direction. And then everybody's happy and the results are much greater. And also, the president's job is to be a director, not to be a doer. The president's duty is not to donate the most money and do the most work, but the one to give the most accurate and most favored direction to what the club wants to do and how they want to conduct themselves internally and also externally. The most successful leader tends to be one that does the least but provide the most direction and encouragement.
Here, here. Well said.
Yeah. It's good.
100% agree。
但係做 how to do it is differently though, That's all
我
theory.
我有個 question。
Yeah.
如果你知道人與人之間，Steven， 你知道人與人之間嘅 relationship 就係要多見面、多溝通，互相提點，咁就好 perfect 噶啦呢個世界。但係咧，如果你 run into someone you haven't seen for a year, once in a year, how to connect? I don't know. How to persuade them or convince them with any protocol or any policy? How I don't know.
I think if you're trying to get to know somebody, in your case, particularly somebody you're not very familiar with, the first thing you do, and from what I read, is that you ask things about them. And if you show that you care, then they open up, and then you have more topics and more areas where you can build a relationship. But until you get the person to open up, see where they're coming from and what their ideas are and what their perspectives are, until you get this kind of communication, you're going to have a lot of roadblocks. 大家嘅溝通係最重要，你要了解啊，同埋明白嘅。
我同你嘅理解都係一樣㗎。但係如果當你對人與人之間都一年都唔見一次面，或者
咁你咪請多啲人飲茶咯，請多啲我。
你明？如果你識嗰啲人有100個人，係50個人中意你咧，你已經係算做最成功個一隊。
我冇數過，我冇數過。
因為你唔夠手指同埋腳趾啊嘛。
Yeah, sometimes when you talk to people, you need to be sincere, right? So to
點啊？
open.
要點樣 sincere 法咧？4萬，
冇咁假咯，成日 話得閒飲茶先啦，咁好假啦，係咪？真係要飲茶就要飲茶。
你覺得我即係好？你覺得我好假咩？我冇請過你飲茶咩？
我唔係指你，唔好對號入
即係我喺度
座。
講笑，大家喺度講笑啊，just for fun, you know. I
It's just
mean,
joking, yeah. It's good.
but
Like discuss.
what I'm thinking, in order to get a best group together, long way to go. Lot of changes with the Lions Club policy, and you know, this is I've been with Lions maybe not as long as like Steven, but having said that, I've been over 30 years at least. So 我唔係最 top，我又唔識好多嘢，都係 at least 都識少少。Okay，a little bit, not much。
上多啲堂啊，上多啲我啲堂。
所以如果你要揾一個唔識嘅去 challenge 一個 little bit 嘅，咁佢都要有個 reason 或者佢有個ability 去 challenge 嘅，唔可以淨係話that's the way I want to be。你唔可能嘅，呢啲 impossible。即係好似你話我夠唔夠膽 challenge 啊 L 啊
Yeah.
I can. I don't have his ability and knowledge.
You could challenge L.
No,
What? Huh?
no. What we are trying to say is, if someone has already been in the Lions for so long history, how can a rookie walk in and try to bring you down or just challenge you for nothing, right?
May I suggest the senior lion become a mentor for that junior lion? And that will help incorporate them in, and it'll allow that new lion to bring in some new ideas, some new methods.
Well, I agree with you. Anyway, this year, since September, my club increased 6 new lions,
Good.
Wow.
right? So, having said that, I doing my job.
Well, your job isn't done if you're a mentor.
At least part of it to start, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's really
Okay.
good discussion 啊！今晚有好個 discussion，而家都超時啦，好似district I mean PDG Stephen 話我哋we pass the time already, so yeah. Thank you all for coming, right? So
Yes. Thank you all for
Thank
connecting in this
you.
evening. We do appreciate your time. And before we end the discussion here, and this has been a lengthy discussion. I like lengthy discussions. This is good. But before we end, I'd like to quote past District Governor Sharon Sykes when she said, "Let's go forward and do great things." Good night, folks.
thank you. Bye
Agree
bye.
with you. Thanks for your
Thank you.
thanks
Bye.
for your invitation. Thank you. Good night,
Thank you for
everybody.
organizing it.
Good night.
Bye.
Happy
Bye.
New Year.
Bye.
Happy New
Happy New
Year.
Year.
Happy
大
New
家
Year.
飲茶。
Yeah.
Happy New Year, Happy New Year.